Hello, this is attorney Carter Budwell, and this video is for those of you who are calling our firm because you're having some problems with a creditor, but maybe bankruptcy isn't really the way you want to go. This video is totally unscripted. It's kind of a little bit of a fireside chat without fire behind me. Um, it's very understandable. We often have people who call us because a very common scenario is a creditor is garnishing them. And it comes as quite a surprise because they never had received any kind of information that a judgment had been filed against them in the first place. And that's definitely a very frightening and upsetting thing to happen. And they call our firm and they want some help with that. Um, and when we tell them that the main way that we help is through bankruptcy. As a matter of fact, it's really the only way that we help. And there's a number of reasons that we do bankruptcy instead of trying to litigate with your creditors or anything like that. It's because, quite frankly, bankruptcy is, from what we have observed, the best way to help you whenever you have an aggressive creditor who is trying to collect on what you owe them. Um, it can often be the case that if you end up litigating with a creditor, you could spend more money than you would on a bankruptcy and have a much less chance of success. I was reading a book about Abraham Lincoln's law practice, and he often represented creditors and debtors in court. And, the book pointed out that then, as now, the result was almost predictable. When you litigate with a creditor, the creditor almost always wins. Bankruptcy is really a good opportunity for you to even the playing field. And there's a lot of misconceptions about bankruptcy out there that I think really scare a lot of people away from it. It does not necessarily mean you're going to have terrible credit or that you're going to lose all your stuff. And so what I want to do with this video is encourage you that if you're having a fight with an aggressive creditor, at least be open to the possibility of bankruptcy. Now, our consultations are free. So if you want to give us a call to talk about bankruptcy, there's no obligation for you to actually move forward with it. And we would be happy to talk to you about it and let you know what it would entail and if it would be a good idea for you. I mean, there are some occasions where we have told clients that bankruptcy would not be good for them. Sometimes they have so little debt that it just would not be worth it. Or in other situations, it might be that it's just better for them to go ahead and pay their creditors. So give us a call. Our main office can be reached at 757-482-5705 and schedule a free consultation to talk with us about it. We would be more than happy to help guide you through this very upsetting process and be there for you in any way we can. Thank you very much.